Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Coordinate Geometry Exercise 7.1 6 sum. Let's see the question. Name the type of quadrilateral found if any by the following points and give reason by your answer. We need to find what type of quadrilateral is given accordingly. They have given some points. We need to find what is the quadrilateral. We are going to take let A, B, C, D for the given points, so that we are going to find all the distance, that is distance of AB, distance of BC and distance of CD, distance of DA. Every side we are going to find, as well as the diagonals if needed. Yeah, I'm just taking this quadrilateral as A, B, C, D. The diagonal will be AC and BD. So we are going to find all the sides. If we find all the sides, we can say what type of quadrilateral it is. So now for that we want distance formula to find the side. If vertices, if the coordinates are given, we need to use the distance formula. Here distance formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Here for AB we are going to find A is minus 3 comma 5, B is 3 comma 1. For AB distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is 3. Here this becomes plus 3 the whole square. Always change the second sign because of this minus plus. Here 1, as it is plus, we can write it to be minus. This becomes 6 square plus minus 4 the whole square. Now 36 plus 4 4s are 16. Root 52. As it is root 52, we need to do prime factorization to see the point. 2 6 are 12, 2 13. So this becomes 2 root 13. As there is 2 2, we are taking 1 2 outside. So AB equal to 2 root 13. Similarly, we will find BC. BC equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, that is 0 minus 3 the whole square. You can write that to be minus 3 square. Here 3 minus 1 the whole square. This becomes 3 square will become 9 plus 2 square will become 4. This becomes root 13. We'll move on to the CD. Now we'll find the distance of CD, that is this and this. So minus 1 minus 0 the whole square will become minus 1. Minus 4 minus 3 the whole square. Here it becomes root 1 plus minus 7 square. 1 plus, here it becomes 49. So root 50. Root 50 we can take 225. 5 5s are 25. So we can take 1 5 outside. So 5 root 2 for CD. Now we'll find DA. As till now everything is totally different. We'll find DA. For DA it is root of D and A. So minus 1 plus 3 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 5 the whole square. This becomes 2 square plus minus 9 the whole square. 2 square is 4 plus 9 9s are 81. It is root 85. We'll check with root 85. Try to do prime factorization to take the root. Here 5 1s are 5. So we can't take root outside, so it is root 85. Now we can see that all the sides are different. Nothing is equal. That means it will not form a quadrilateral. There is no any quadrilateral. So as AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CD, is not equal to DA, therefore no quadrilateral is formed. This will be your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.